As you look at the leaderboard.
What's up, you guys? SpideyDaco64 back here again, and we are watching a NASCAR Camping World Truck Series race from Las Vegas. So, 3 laps to go left in this stage. Oh, yeah, I know. The bike was flat earlier. Yeah.
That's this big wiggle here that the right-hand side of the screen.
Rear. Sorry guys, I'm talking to my dad. My bike's flat. Wait, we're barely two.
For the lead, Christopher Bell challenging Ben Rhodes. Ben Rhodes holds him off. They come up on the lap truck of Norm Benning.
Looks like Ben Rhodes will win the second stage.
Probably used a little bit of the draft off Norm Benning's truck to do that. Pits are closed, 2 to go in stage 2. Bell wants this playoff point, Vince.
One to go.
The final lap of stage 2. Ben Rhodes trying to hold off Christopher Bell. Into turn 3, now coming to turn 4. Rhodes did it.
Come get your stage points, kids. Good job right here. Stage win.
Second stage win of the season for
Ben Rhodes wins stage 2.
Good battle there with a 19 of
Okay, so that's nothing too important right now. Alright, so yeah, guys, it's been quite, if you may have saw my last video, which was on the Ty Dillon review, don't know, to be honest, it's really, that video was really, okay, I wouldn't say it's my worst, NASCAR, diecast review I ever did, but it wasn't really done all that well. But yes, so right now what I'm showing you guys is my Martinsville Speedway setup for a stop motion for my new stop motion NASCAR Cup Series, and air reveal shot of it. There will be more cars when the actual race comes to YouTube. We got Jimmy Johnson leading, Matt Kenseth, Kevin Harvick, Joey Logano. You know the rest, if you can see them. Is that Ryan Blaney right there? Oh yeah, it is Ryan Blaney back there. So yeah. Yeah, so this is my Martinsville Speedway setup, so yeah, I mean, like, so yeah, that's really, so yeah, let me actually kind of, do something with this real quick. I got some, we're gonna quickly set up the garage area right here, so put one block there, another block there. What the hell was on there? So yeah, anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna put that there. Yeah, yeah, there's a garage. Yeah, I really did. So yeah. So yeah, that's the garage area, and then let's actually set up the scoreboard tower here. There you go. So yeah, and then let's put the pace car right there. Alright,
Were there more wrecks, more accidents?
no, there was like, I think there were a few, like on restarts and stuff like that.
Oh.
So, yeah, that's, alright, so, anyways, so yeah, this is what the, track looks like now. So, yeah, now this wasn't how Martinsville Speedway looked like when I first made it. It was more shorter, like, there was only, like, so, you see that there's, like, 2 lanes right here. There were actually, just 1 lane, like, right here. So the cars will all be like this, and to be honest, I didn't like that. Plus, I did want to get those 3 and 4 wide shots, you know. So, yeah, it's, so yeah, yeah, this is just a little, this is just a little video showcasing my Martinsville Speedway setup, and right now I'm making a trailer for the Martinsville Speedway, actually. So, hopefully you guys will enjoy that, and, yeah, so, that being said, guys, I'm going to be, after this, I'm going to be making that trailer. So, yeah, see you later. Bye.